So hi guys, it's Tuesday and it's my off. So I'm going to usually every Tuesday I just do some laundry and opening most of my mails or packages if I have some. And today I'm very excited to show you because I have a very important and very special package that delivered yesterday and some are today. So I'm gonna show it to you. I came here in June, I guess. No, July last year. So oh my god, time flies so fast. I'm almost 1 year here. Like wow. Hindi ko naman naramdaman, sobrang nata ako sa kabisi. So, ayan, I'm gonna show it to you. Yeah, I think this is really it. Yeah. Let's go. Tandaanin natin, diba? Para mas ano. So, yun nga, sa mga nag-aantay dyan, huwag lang kayong susuko kasi kung talagang para sa atin and talagang may ginagawa tayong active work. You know, so sometimes waiting is dumb kasi parang nag-wait ka lang ng wala. Pero kung waiting naman na may ginawa ka, kung ginawa ka, alam mo may invest kang effort para doon at alam mo namang progressing yung ano mo. So, it's better to pray, to train for patience and everything. Bumalikan, walang araw, lukat, lahat ay napakanta. Oh, ito na pala siya. Oh. So it says here na ingatan and use this envelope to protect this card. It's finally here. So yeah, it's just an instruction. And usually the card, yeah, it says here, you see, if I'm going to show you, it says here that it's United States of America Employment Authorization. Finally. I cannot contain my feelings. Oh, thank you, Lord. So let's remove and here. Yeah, usually even for green cards, I think they have this envelope together. So yeah, it says here that they recommend to use this so it won't, you know, it won't damage and everything. So yeah, so what's inside the ID is your, of course, your picture here. Actually, I'm not showing everything because mabablock na naman siya ni TikTok. And your, I think this is like, oh, your birthday here. And, oh my god, there's something wrong on mine. There's nothing wrong, but maybe they just put J instead of Killjoys because it's kind of long. So yeah, it has an, you know, it has an ID number, expiration date, and your birth date. Of course, just like the usual ID. So yeah, din lang sa mga inspiration, yung mga nag-antay, huwag lang kayo mapagod magantay, huwag lang kayo mapagod mag-try kasi hindi naman lahat tayo pare-pareho ng experience in sa mga, kasi minsan talaga along the way, meron talaga tayo maririnig na kung ano sa mga paligid natin. Pero it's okay kasi, you know, every time na makakarinig tayo ng discouragement, usually dapat lang natin siyang tignan as strength or like, you know, your challenge to do more to yourself or strive more, strive harder, or if someone is telling you that it's not possible, you know, yeah, you should believe, especially kung wala namang ano. Pero for me lang, as of my experience, medyo hindi lahat ng mga, alam mo yun, maririnig mo is okay. As long as yung parang mag-research ka, yung mag-pray ka talaga kay Lord and prayers talaga, siguro, lagi nga ang sinasabi nila ang swerte ko, kasi parang lahat ng gusto ko, lahat ng mga nangyayari sa akin ay talagang, kumbaga kung ano yung goals ko, talagang nangyayari. Pero I usually replied or answer na talagang it's God's grace, it's Him who pursue everything for me. I don't wanna cry kasi, syempre sa dami-dami din naman ang experience ko. Like, it takes me 10 years to be